Within the last 3 years, the complete process of early medieval bell founding was investigated by applied archaeometallurgy. Several experiments were carried out to make a working reconstruction of the earliest known bronze-cast church bell, the bell of Canino. It survived, but it is broken. The video of the casting can be found here. It was made entirely with medieval technology.
Wunderschön auch zu sehen, wie alle da mitgefiebert haben, ob es denn jetzt endlich klappt beim dritten Versuch.
A bell tower was built for the bell, and you will hear now, for the first time, the ring of the oldest medieval known church bell.
Jetzt aber